Friends, we will try to find out in equation 2 power x plus 4 power x equal to 8 power x, what is the value of x? This is a hard thinking question, so you will enjoy. So first, 2 power x I'll write down as it is, and 4 I can write down as 2 power 2 and that power x, and 8 I can write down 2 power 3 and then power x. Now the index law, if it is a power m and that power n, I can always switch the power, so I can write down that as a power n, everything power m, because both of them are a power mn. So 2 power x plus 2 power 2 and then x, I'm going to write down that as 2 power x and then power 2. So 2 and x I'm switching. In the next one, I'm going to write down 2 power x and then power 3. Now, let y equal to 2 power x. So I'm going to replace my 2 power x with the y. So this will give my equation y plus y square equal to y power 3. Now I'm taking y square and y to the right hand side. So that will become y cube minus y square minus y equal to 0. So that we feel good, I'm just swapping the side, which is going to be y cube minus y square minus y equal to 0. Now I'll take y common. So if I take y common, I'll be left over with y square minus y minus 1. Minus y minus 1, that is equal to 0. So now I can equate them equal to 0 separately. So y equal to 0 or y square minus 1 minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Now, if I take my y equal to 0, my y value I had taken 2 power x, which I can replace back. So 2 power x equal to 0. But 2 power x is an exponential function, and that can never be 0. That will be always 2 power x is always greater than 0. So no solution for this one. So now I will try to work out only on the right hand side. So here I'll try to use my quadratic equation. So my a, b, and c are done first. So my a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, and c equal to negative 1. So my y value is going to be minus b plus and minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b will be minus and negative 1 plus and minus square root of b square, which is minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times negative 1 over 2a, which is 2 times 1. So we'll try to work out here, which is going to be y equal to positive 1 plus and minus square root 1 plus 4 over 2. So I got two answers. Y equal to 1 plus 4 will be 5, so it will be like 1 plus root 5 over 2. And my y value is 1 minus root 5 over 2. But this value, 1 minus root 5 over 2, is a negative value. So 2 power x must be greater than 0. So this value we cannot consider. So this value will not give us any solution. So now only option we'll be working on is when y equal to 1 plus root 5 upon 2. So now I'll replace my y value, which is 2 power x in this equation. So 2 power x is going to be equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2. Now I'll try to take log on both the sides. When we are taking the log, we can take any base, whatever is most suitable. Here I will try to take the log with the base 2. On the right hand side also, I'll do the same. So log 1 plus root 5 over 2 with the base 2. Now, that power can go in the front. So that will give me x log 2 base 2 equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2 base 2. Now, as you know, log 2 base 2 is 1. So this is x times 1, which will give me x. On my right hand side is going to be log 1 plus root 5 over 2 base 2. This is my solution. So this is the solution of the equation 2 power x plus 4 power x equal to 8 power x. Isn't this amazing? I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.